tried recording this yesterday. I did video like 29 minutes, but I guess for some reason it didn't load. Um, so I want to reveal a secret here as to how I'm able to profit no matter what direction these things are going. Now, I have hedging. I have my style. I don't know anybody else's um what they do, whatever. But um, I wanted to quickly show you um how I do it. So no matter which way it goes or whatever happens, no matter how many times it goes back and forth, I still end up on top and make money consistently. It's just a no lose thing for me. I know that there are many other traps. Like there are traps and the things you can get into, the mistakes you can make, stuff like that. I know how to get out of mistakes, and it's juggling orders to win. Juggling the order so you can win. Um, it's kind of what this hedging is. Um, so mine typically go from take 2 days to hit the target. And because you know these pairs, they follow particular patterns. Where they're going to range, they'll break out, go 40 pips one direction, and then reverse, and then go 70 pips another direction, or maybe the same direction. Or so I can't do all the examples because it's just gonna take up so much time, and then it's like it'll take a while to load, and then it might freeze up. So um, maybe better if I just did a YouTube video. But all right, so we're doing this on Trading View. This area here, let's see, I made this. I don't know how long this is. This length is 3 days, 4 days. This is 4 days, and this is 30 pips, right? So I use that to set my parameters. So I'll just grab like the middle of this area here. Like let's say the trade's there. I just start in the middle. I mean, it doesn't really matter kind of where you kind of do it. It doesn't have to be like accurately in the middle and all that stuff. Just each time it crosses, I'm gonna double my position. I have other strategies. Some of them only increase the position size by 70%. Um, so there are ways to modify it, but for just a lesson reason, um, you would start at like 0.01 lot. Then if it goes down here, or it goes to the next trigger point, a stop, buy stop, sell stop, um, then it would double. I would double, so it would be 0.1, 0.2, 0.04, 8, 16, 32, 0.64 lot, so kind of go each time it crosses, right? Um, so in the end, subtracting my losses. So the way this works, um, you can get these things, I would say, within 2 days each time. Of course, no, nothing's like an exact science. This is just the average. So 2 days and 70 pips. So that's what we're looking for. So let's say your buy stops here. You're looking for it to go here if it goes that way, right? And the other one for the sell stop TP is down here. I've had other modifications where I've used smaller spread sizes, the spread between the buy and the sell. Um, Depending on the pair, each pair is different. I've done all these pairs, some exotics too. So um, yeah, that's how I've made a lot of money for myself, and will continue into the future. I mean, you can do this and make millions. I mean, you can do this all the way. I mean, it's taking me a few years. We can do this all the way to $1 billion. I mean, you know what I mean? There's no limit. That's really what matters. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is how consistent you are making money. You know, there's no limitless. It's unlimited. So, um, right now this thing is saying 92% this way and 91% that way. So, and then I hit this. I can see. So my buy stop is going to be 1.66139. Sell stop is going to be 1.65857. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact. It could be 5.7 down there, but it doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't really matter. I have other tricks where I would move my SL, like, because many times when this goes 70, it turns around. It's an 80% chance it turns around. I would risk a little more so that the turnaround, I can also make money as it goes back the other way. So it's just juggling orders. Juggling orders, you can make money. I call it juggling orders. Oh, here you see here, it did this before, and then that's where it turned around. See, your AUD, man, this is it's great for this. Um, so I'm gonna keep this short. It's 6 minutes, so I wanted to upload fast and whatnot. But then my hedging strategy um, is how I guarantee myself money every single week. Every single, you know, week after week after week, I don't lose money. So there's no guessing where it's going. Okay. Guessing, or, you know what I mean? You have all these tools and stuff like that. I mean, how many tools have I used? I mean, it's just 60% maybe, 60. The best I may have seen is 70% as far as, then if you layer them, I had strategies that were good for a time, like, good for a year, and they were banking 80%, but then after they stopped working after a year. So, but this is really this is the surefire way to go. So, if you want to know more, you can message me. Like, if you want me to, give you, not give you, I don't know. You want me to if you want to buy my manual that has all of my stuff, like everything, everything I've accumulated for the last 18 years of forex trading. As a stockbroker back in 2000 in New York City. That's what got me started. My first trade, I had to go to a window, to write it on a ticket and go to a window. That's when I started trading. It wasn't by computer. That's how old I am. But yeah, so if you want to, learn uh, really all the ins and outs, I mean, I've got a lot of them. Then you can message me. Um, my chat group, I had kicked everyone out the chat group. I should make it turn into just a hedging one rather than, so we'll see what we're going to do. So, all right, that's it. This is Truth, aka Wall Street, aka Cookie. Peace.